Bots for the win.
All right, guys, Patrick with you for another bot teardown. We're doing the Goodness Factory and love it. Personalization kicked into the Get Started screen. Hi, Patrick. Click Started. And let's go ahead and jump into this sucker. Welcome. We're the Goodness Factory, full-service chatbot and Facebook marketing agency. Swipe below to start your journey. If you ever want to return to this menu, just type home. Free consultation, our services, learn about bots, explore case studies. So nice little FAQ menu he's dumping you right on top of. Create a chatbot on ChatFuel. So he's on ChatFuel. Our services. Let's learn about bots. I think it's a great place to start. Before I teach you about bots, timing on this is good. I've got time to read everything. What would you like to use a bot for? So here's very clean, right into it. You know, he's segmenting things out. My own business, a client's business, not sure yet. I'm going to say my own business. That's the client I'm sure he's looking for. So this will probably be his fastball. All right, great. Tap the robot below now if you're ready to learn more about bots. I like the use of the quick reply buttons in this fashion. So I want to go ahead and click OK. Shows me the giant bot head. Here we are loading away. Nice little sheep. What's up? Welcoming me. Thumbs up. I want to make sure you understand what a messenger bot is. And so I think he does a great job with his copy, sort of just educating his clients on what exactly a messenger bot is. Do we get it? Are we on board so far? Because if you don't know what a messenger bot is, you're not going to be doing any business with him, right? Some big brands that are already using messenger bots include the Wall Street Journal, Nike, Sephora, Hipmunk. Hipmunk does have a cool one. I should review that at a point. So am I ready to learn what bots can do? I can chat with these bots. It's an interesting option. Chat with these bots. I wonder where that goes. Is he going to send me out of his sequence? Oh, wow, he is. That's really interesting. So it's like, hey, go ahead and chat with the big boys if you like and see what a bot really can do. Get the proof that this thing really does work that way. But let's just move on. Nice little robot high five. Bots can automate and so much more. Good use of emoticons all the way across. Which of these is most intriguing to you? That's interesting. Is he asking me to type? I think he's asking me to type. So let's go ahead and type. So he's got keywords built in. Let's just say marketing. Let's surprise marketing. Let's send it. I'll learn how they work. Yeah, show me. Could you show me how this works? GIF of sorts. Here's how they work. And so he's going to go through and explain it all to me. The user sends a messenger Facebook page. And so he's explaining exactly how the entire thing goes down from start to finish. Never has to spend time answering their messages. Yeah, just a nice and solid bot experience here. Yeah, that same quick reply where it's just face to face. I like it. I wonder how that's working out for him. I wonder what happens when I break it. Oh yeah, he's got Sheffield. So if I say what? He's probably seeing these going, what is this guy typing? What? Sounds like you might have a question for us, Patrick. How can we help? Submit a question, main menu, stop messaging me. Unsubscribe featuring prominently. I love that. So let's go to start over. All right, that's back to the home. Submit a build request. I want a chatbot. Free consultation, our services. Let's check out our services. I want a chatbot for your business. Bot is a virtual marketing channel. Facebook Messenger chatbot, Facebook ads. Got to have ads if you're going to get somebody into a bot. Could your business benefit? Mine could. It sure could. Let's do this. And so I think he's going to send me into another poll now. What's the name of your business? Great. So I love this bot. I think he did a great job on it. I like everything he's got in. I think the education is good. I think if you're going to do be an agency, this is a good one. Event bot, e-commerce bot. Let's see. Show me an e-commerce bot. And so here's the bots he built, it looks like. And he's opting to screenshot them. All the benefits of what one would do. My mind is blown. Good language, good brand voice. And he agrees that the results are mind-blowing. So I think this is a fantastic one to just go and experience. If you have, any interest of checking out how an agency does it properly, I highly recommend this one. I think he did a great job. And that's it for this bot teardown. Go check out the Goodness Factory. Show this guy some love. Okay.